The idea is to experience Trikonasana as it is. Okay, so we need to get the alignments right. Come on, ma. Trikonasana. So the primary alignment to look for is, okay, your ankle pit. There will be a hole in the ankle. Is aligned with both the shoulders in a straight perpendicular line. When this is set, most of the other alignments automatically get assembled. Okay, to get this alignments right for a beginners, we can use a simple rope. A long towel or a cotton shawl will do. No complicated yoga rope needed. So what she is trying to do is catching it with the other hand. Okay, so catch. Now get into Trikonasana. So this prevents us from leaning forward, holds us straight. Okay, now try to catch as close as possible. I assume beginners may start from here, then they get closer, closer, closer. When this level is reached and you feel effortlessness, take the other hand up, stretch it as high as possible. So you can get the primary alignments right for the Trikonasana. Yes.